Hola, mi amo Jacobo Burrola.
Jake, this isn't the Spanish news.
Oh, that's right. Hello, my name is Jacob Burrola.
And I'm Samantha Neely.
Welcome to DuPont Student News.
Jake, you can't say that on live TV.
It's 3 and no one watches anyways.
True. And now on to our top stories. What? I'm not even cussing. Luke, go home. Like I was saying, and now on to our top stories. The Lipton Tea Company just announced their support for statistics, especially the tea tests.
Breaking news, a local statistician from Whittier, California just got arrested and sent to prison. He now has 0 degrees of freedom.
Good one, Jake. This just in, the validity of the Apple iPhone weather app is being questioned by 2 local stats students. Those 2 kids look familiar. Do they look familiar to you? No? We'll figure it out later. The students collected the data for 31 consecutive days,
which included the predicted high temperature and also the actual high temperature of the day. Here they are now. This is the data as follows.
The rows represent each week.
And the number in gray represents the predicted value that the Apple iPhone has told us. And the numbers in red are the values that nature has told us.
Wait a minute. Does that say 779? What is that doing there? Oh wait, there it goes.
Got him. Sam just went out to interview the great mathematician and statistician Tiki to find out how the students got their answers.
Yes, that's correct. We were fortunate enough to get a few minutes with Tiki. Here is what she had to say.
When Sam and Jake came to me, I couldn't figure it out. I really couldn't. It just kept me up at night, I couldn't go to sleep. I couldn't do anything. And then I was just thinking. And then it just hit me. It was a match pairs t-test to find the difference between the actual temp and the predicted temp with an alpha level of 0.05. I knew it.
Reporting live, this is Samantha Neely, DuPont News. Now, back to you, Jake.
Wait, how'd you get here so fast?
That's for me to know and you to find out, Jake. Anyways, the students' null hypothesis was that mu sub d is equal to 0.
Which means there would be no difference between the predicted temperatures and the actual temperatures.
And the students' alternate hypothesis was mu sub d is not equal to 0.
Which would mean there would actually be a difference between the predicted temperatures and the actual temperatures.
And now onto the conditions.
I've got 99 problems, but conditions ain't one.
Okay, Jake. Now, is it random?
Yeah, of course, that's a given.
All right, but is it normal?
I have a question for you.
And what is that, Jake?
Are we normal?
You know what? That's another question for another day.
But what we do know is that the students collected a sample size of 31, and that's greater than 10. So, yeah, it's normal.
All right. And is it independent?
Well, is it?
Well, we have to first assume that there are more than 310 days in a year. And since there is...
We sure hope so.
We can assume it's independent. The students wrote their step 4 as follows. 2 times, since the alternate hypothesis is mu sub d is not equal to 0, the probability that mu sub d is greater than 0, which is equal to the probability that t is greater than 3.89, which is equal to a p-value of 5.16116 times 10 to the negative 4th power.
That's a really small number.
The students found that the p-value was less than alpha, which caused them to reject the null hypothesis.
Rejected! Rejected! Woo! Rejected! Wait. We can sue Apple. We can sue Apple. We can sue Apple.
Jake, where are you going? All right, well, that's all for today. I gotta go find Jake now. Thanks for watching, and tune in next time for more corny jokes and random news all in one show.
Get it? Random? Get it? Student news at 3 a.m.
You should like talk like while you're doing the beep.
Oh yeah. My name is Jacob Burrola. Holy smokes.
How is that? You are going.
I forgot my name.
Student news.
Jake, you can't say that on TV.
Jump the gun. Jump the gun.
The students collected the.
Oh, Jake, you didn't even push